What's up everybody, Casey Neistat here, and today we're going to do something awesome. We're diving into the world of web development. We're going to build a website. Yeah, you heard me right. Not just any website, but one that stands out and represents you or your brand perfectly. We're talking about creating your own little corner of the internet, a place where you can share your thoughts, showcase your work, or even start a business. And the best part, we're going to do it all in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 10 minutes is all it takes to get started. I know what you're thinking. Building a website in 10 minutes? That's crazy talk. But stick with me, and you'll see how simple it can be. But trust me, it's easier than you think. With a few clicks and some creativity, you'll have a website up and running in no time. With the right tools and a little bit of guidance, anyone can build a website. No coding experience required. Platforms like WordPress make it incredibly user-friendly. So, are you ready to unleash your inner web developer? Let's do this. Grab your laptop, and let's get started on this exciting journey. Get ready to dive into the world of domains, hosting, and WordPress. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your site live. By the end of this guide, you'll be amazed at what you've accomplished. You'll have a fully functional website that you can be proud of. Let's get started. First things first, we need to talk about two very important things: domain names and hosting. These are the foundational elements of any website, and understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to establish an online presence. Think of it like building a house. Just as you need a solid foundation and a clear address to make your house accessible, your website needs these two components to be functional and reachable. You need an address, that's your domain name, and a plot of land to build on, that's your hosting. Without these, your website simply can't exist on the internet. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet. It's a unique identifier that directs people to your site, much like how a street address directs people to your home. It's what people will type into their browser to visit your site. This makes it essential to choose a domain name that's easy to remember and relevant to your content or business. For example, mine is caseyneistat.com. This domain name is simple, straightforward, and directly associated with my brand. Hosting, on the other hand, is where your website's files and data live. It's the physical space on a server where all your website's content is stored. It's like renting space on a server that's connected to the internet. This server makes your website accessible to users around the world, 24/7. Now there are tons of different hosting providers out there. Each offers various features, pricing plans, and levels of support, so it's important to choose one that fits your specific needs. But for this tutorial, we're going to be using Bluehost. They offer a great balance of affordability, reliability, and ease of use, making them an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users alike. They're one of the biggest and most reliable hosting providers around. With a strong reputation and numerous positive reviews, you can trust that your website will be in good hands. Plus, they offer a one-click WordPress installation, which makes our lives a whole lot easier. This feature allows you to set up your website quickly and efficiently, without needing any advanced technical skills. Alright, let's head over to Bluehost and get you set up. Go to bluehost.com and click on the Get Started button. You'll see a few different hosting plans to choose from. If you're just starting out, the basic plan is a great option. It's affordable and gives you everything you need to get your website up and running. Once you've selected a plan, it's time to choose your domain name. This is where you get to be creative. Try to come up with something memorable and relevant to your website's content. If you already have a domain name, you can transfer it to Bluehost. Once you've found the perfect domain, go ahead and complete the checkout process. Now for the fun part, installing WordPress. With Bluehost, it's as easy as clicking a button. Once you've logged into your Bluehost account, navigate to the website section and look for the WordPress icon. Click on it, and you'll be guided through a simple installation process. Bluehost will ask you a few basic questions about your website, like its name and tagline. Then, sit back, relax, and let Bluehost work its magic. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully functional WordPress website ready to be customized. It's that easy. Section 5. Welcome to your website's control room, the dashboard. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a WordPress website. To access the back end of your website, go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Replace your website.com with your actual domain name. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password, which you created during the installation process. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control room. From here you can create pages and posts, change your website's design, install plugins, and much more. Don't be intimidated by all the buttons and options. We'll walk through the most important ones together. Section 6. Dressing up your website. Themes. First impressions matter, right? The same goes for websites. Your website's design is the first thing visitors will see, so it's important to make it count. That's where themes come in. A WordPress theme is like a pre-designed template that dictates the look and feel of your website. There are thousands of free and premium themes available, so you're sure to find one that suits your style and needs. To browse and install themes, go to Appearance, Themes in your WordPress dashboard. You can preview themes to see how they would look on your website. Once you've found the perfect theme, click on the Activate button. Section 7. Building the Essentials Home, About, and Contact Pages. Every website needs a few essential pages, a home page, an about page, and a contact page. These pages provide visitors with important information about you and your website. To create a new page, go to Pages. Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Give your page a title and start adding content. You can add text, images, videos, and more using the WordPress editor. Once you're happy with your page, click on the Publish button to make it live on your website. Repeat this process for your About and Contact pages. Section 8. Adding your personal touch customization. Now that you have the basic structure of your website in place, it's time to add your personal touch. Most WordPress themes come with a variety of customization options that allow you to change things like the colors, fonts, and layout of your website. To access your theme's customization options, go to Appearance. Customize in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you can experiment with different settings until you're happy with the look of your website. Don't be afraid to get creative and make your website your own. Section 9. Supercharging your website plugins. In this section, we will explore the world of plugins and how they can transform your WordPress website into a powerful, feature-rich platform. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress website. They allow you to add new features and functionalities without needing to write a single line of code. They add extra functionality and features to your website. Whether you want to improve your site's SEO, add contact forms, or even create an online store, there's a plugin for that. There are plugins for almost everything you can think of, from SEO optimization to contact forms. You can also find plugins for social media integration, security enhancements, performance optimization, and much more. To browse and install plugins, go to Plugins. Add New in your WordPress dashboard. This will take you to the plugin directory where you can find thousands of free and premium plugins. You can search for specific plugins or browse by category. Categories include popular plugins, recommended plugins, and featured plugins, making it easier to find what you need. Once you've found a plugin you like, click on the Install Now button. The plugin will be downloaded and installed on your website. After the plugin is installed, make sure to activate it. Activation is crucial as it enables the plugin's features and functionalities on your website. Here are a few essential plugins to get you started. These plugins are highly recommended for any WordPress website regardless of its purpose. Yoast SEO helps you optimize your website for search engines. It provides tools for keyword optimization, readability analysis, and more, ensuring your content is search engine friendly. Contact Form 7 allows you to easily create contact forms for your website. It's simple to use and highly customizable, making it a great choice for any site. Elementor is a powerful drag-and-drop page builder that gives you even more control over your website's design. With Elementor you can create stunning pages without any coding knowledge, and that's it! You've built a WordPress website in under 10 minutes. Pretty impressive, right? With the right plugins, your website can be both functional and beautiful. Now go out there and share your awesome website with the world. Remember, the right plugins can make a huge difference in your website's performance and user experience. Happy building!